Hey guys, the dining room is finally done, and I just wanted to give you a virtual tour since I know so many of y'all have been talking to me about it because I've been in construction for like a year. This encased opening actually used to be a sliding glass door, and the room that we're about to go into was the Florida room. So it was a completely slab concrete floor. Halfway up the walls was just brick, and then the other half was end-to-end windows. So we busted out the door, we put in encased opening, and we distressed and stained beams to go around the doorway. So if you enter in, the first thing you see is my beautiful wine press. Me and my dad, Phil Hetzler, have been dragging this along for the last 15 years to every place I've lived in the country. And he hates me for it, but it's like my pride and joy. And this is like 20 years of planning coming true today with this room. So antique wine press. Don't mind the freezer. It's a necessity in life, and so I had to decorate around it. So we've got my rolling pin collection. We've got this ash keeper that I made into a flower vase. We've got my scale, love it. Then we have my crazy awesome like $1,000 door. I'm so thrifty, I cannot believe that I bought this, but I really wanted it to look well in the room, and the outside's really cool. So then we've got some of my little collection and knickknacks. We also have the farmhouse table that we built and stained and distressed, and so I love it. You can see the trees in the background. Thanks Kelly Hassick for those. I cut them down over a foot and replanted them in cement and put them in the wine barrels. We have this antique light that I found in like a dump heap, practically rewired it. We have our hutch, which I love, and one of my favorite parts is the books on top. I actually got those from Janice, and been had those in literally a box since she moved a couple years ago, and just filled it with some things that I collected on the way. We've got the Burton glasses from Trevor's grandma, some things I've made. Also have the wall of ancestors. Really funny thing about this is my great aunt and uncle built this house, and my great grandmother lived here. They built an addition to the house for her. And then when they all passed away, it was out of the family for about 12 to 15 years. We moved back, and when we were putting some fans in the rooms in the back corner of the attic, we found all these old pictures. And even though I don't know who they are, I know they're actually from our family because of how we found them. They have literally like the wooden backboards. And so those were really special, and so I just wanted to give them life again. We have my cheese grater thing that y'all gave me ideas about, but I still can't put bows on it because I use real fire in them. But this is the finished product. I'm very, very happy with it. I'm going to put one of those Bible verse decals under the shelf, and it will be complete and ready for Thanksgiving. So thanks to everybody who encouraged me. Thanks to all my family who thought I was crazy collecting old bottles from antique stores and things for years, but it all came together, and I am very, 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 very happy about it. So everybody come see me so you can have dinner at my new table. Love you guys. Bye.